Today I'm going to show you one common way that we get our knitting started, and that's by using a slip knot. And I'm going to use knitting needles and this bulky weight yarn. I think bulky weight is a really good way to start because it's easier to handle and you can really see what you're doing. Alright, so the easiest way that I know to show this to you is that we lay the yarn in front of us, and then we're going to lay the tail over top of the working yarn. This is the working yarn, it's connected to the ball. And then we're going to make that a little bit smaller, and then we're going to pick up and just kind of pinch it where it crosses over. And then we're going to grab the tail and we're going to just pull it through. And just like that. And it's called a slip knot because I can pull it and it comes right out. Okay, so let's do it again. We're going to lay the yarn in front of us. We put the tail over the end that's connected to the ball of yarn. We call that our working yarn. We're pinching where the two ends cross. We're going to come through with our thumb and index finger. We're going to grab our tail and we're going to pull it through, just like that. And there you have your little slip knot. And then you're going to put that onto your knitting needle, and then you can just pull with the tail and it'll go right up onto the needle. Now, we're not going to try to strangle this down. We're not trying to, suffocate the yarn or strangle the project. Just snug it up. That's it. Okay, and that gives you a slip knot. So if you have a project that calls for putting a slip knot onto your needle or your crochet hook, I guess you could have it for that too. That's how you do it.